Dear students, good morning all of you. Welcome to the online class. Myself, Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar, the Gurukul International School. In previous class, we have already studied about the quadratic equation, that was nature of roots. Already we have studied this nature of roots. Already I told, if b is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. If b greater than 0, discriminant greater than 0, roots are distinct and unequal. And if b less than 0, no real roots exist. So these things already we have studied yesterday. Now we are going to study how we will find the roots of a quadratic equation. How we will find the roots of a quadratic equation. First method is known as factorization method. In order to find the roots of a quadratic equation, we may adopt factorization method. Second method, quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula method. And third method, completing square method. Completing square method. So these are the three methods in order to find the roots of a quadratic equation. Suppose I will follow the method that is known as factorization method. Suppose this is an equation. Already a quadratic equation is given here. You have to find the roots. Already I told, one of the method is factorization method. So that factorization method already we have studied in lower classes. So that again we have to adopt. So what is the rule for that? First rule is just to multiply the constant number with the x square term. You have to remember first what to do. First the constant number will be multiplied with x square containing the number x square. So you see here x square into 6, that is coming 6x square. X square into 6, that is coming 6x square. Then we have to find any two numbers. We have to find two numbers whose multiplication, whose product will be this, and addition will be the middle one. So ultimately you see, we will write here x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Just into minus 3 minus 2x into minus 3x, that is coming 6x square. Just you add minus 2x plus minus 3x, that is coming minus 5x. So this is called factorization method. It means, what is factorization method? First you have to remember, constant term will be multiplied with x square number. Then you have to select two numbers whose product will be this 6x square and addition result will be minus 5x. So ultimately we got the two numbers minus 2x minus 3x. So what I will write? Now I will take common from two numbers. See here, x is common, x minus 2. Here minus 3 is common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Already we have studied in your classes. Take common from these two and take common from these two. So what we got? Finally we got x minus 2 into x minus 3, that is equal to 0. So what it means? Now it means first term into second term is equal to 0. It means x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. If product of two numbers is equal to 0, then you can say first number may be 0, otherwise second number may be 0. If first number is 0, x is coming plus 2 and here x is coming plus 3. So now we got the two roots, one is 2, another is 3. So we will write x is equal to 2, 3. So this is the solution of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, that is by the method of factorization. So now again we will solve this problem by the second formula, that is called quadratic formula. So now we will do the same problem by quadratic formula. So see here, already in quadratic formula you have to write first what is the value of small a. Small a means coefficient of x square. Small a means coefficient of x square. So that is 1. What is the coefficient of b? That is nearby x, that is minus 5. So you will write minus 5. What is the value of c? C is equal to 6. So first we have to write, what we have to write? First write small a. Small a means coefficient of x square. Then small b. Small b means coefficient of x. Then constant term. So what is the formula? That formula already we have discussed. To get the formula, already minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. In order to get the solution, quadratic formula is minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just now to put the value. So what is the value here? You see x is equal to minus b. It means here is minus and b value is also minus. So that is coming plus 5. Plus minus b square. B square means square of minus 5. Then 4 into 1, c value 6. 2a means 2 into 1. So just we have put the values. Now we have to calculate. So we will write x is equal to 5 plus minus within root over square of minus 5, that is coming 25. Then minus 24 divided by 2. So we will get here height plus minus 1 root over of 1 by 2. It means height plus minus 1 by 2 we got. So now we can say one value is height plus 1 by 2 and another value is height minus 1 by 2. Already I have discussed one value is alpha. So x alpha, that is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3, and x beta, that is 5 minus 1 by 2, it means 4 by 2, that is 2. So this is, in this way we found the solution of the quadratic equation. This is called quadratic formula. So today already we discussed how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by the method of factorization as well as by the method of quadratic formula. So next class we will discuss about the completing square method, how we will solve the quadratic equation. So dear students, I will give you some questions for task. You may adopt this quadratic formula, otherwise you may adopt factorization method. Whichever is suitable for you, you may adopt. So now you have to write some questions in order to solve. So some questions, that is your home task. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. Question number 2, x square minus 15x plus 36 is equal to 0. Question number 3, x square minus 17x plus 70 is equal to 0. Dear students, if any doubt arises, you will contact me in my mobile number 8982408504. So dear students, thank you, and in next class we will discuss to find out the solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square method.